Hi, this is Terry Coatney, Coldwell Banker Realtor here in Vienna, West Virginia. Also, I'm licensed in Ohio. Let's talk about some things associated with buying a house. Let's say you're looking for a house and you come across your dream home, but it has a septic tank and you have never had a home with a septic tank. What do you need to do? Well, first of all, you need to make sure that the realtor who you are working with will check the box that you will have a septic inspection done on that property, and also that the seller will pay for the septic inspection and any other repair or updating that the septic tank may have. So what's involved with the septic tank inspection? Well, first of all, there's regulations associated with the septic tank come from the health department. So you'll have to find a septic inspector that is recognized as a good inspector by the health department. And what he will do is, if the septic tank has not been pumped in a while, he'll make sure that he pumps that septic tank and then does a dye test to make sure that the fields are all working. That is, if it's a septic tank that has fields. There's another type of septic tank that doesn't, and it's called an aerator. So what's all involved now if you happen to buy the house with the septic tank? Well, you want to make sure that you talk with the health department so that you know what the regular maintenance is that they recommend for that septic tank, and that may mean pumping it ever so often. And then to maintain the life of the septic tank, what do you need to do? Well, you need to be careful what goes into the septic tank. You don't want harsh chemicals to go into the septic tank, and also you don't want extra water that would be coming off the gutters or anything like that going into the septic tank. So if you have any questions or you want more details about it, get with an expert. And an expert would be either a registered and recognized septic man or a company that is recognized by the health department, and then talk to the health department because they usually have published guidelines as to what's going on with the septic tank. If you like this information about home buying and selling, hit that thumbs like and subscribe to this channel. Hope you're having a great day, and we'll talk with you soon.